It's Siba. I'm a registered date counselor for the National Debt Review Center. So in this video today, I am going to be showing you how to use the Date Review Sales CRM on the My Date Counseling system. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is the CRM system. It's basically where the files or the contacts will be captured. So in order for you to add a contact on the CRM, you click on the contact list, you click on the new contact button, and then you add the contact. Let's say it's Siba, surname is Jakana, contact number is that 072-770-3674, email address is siba@ndrc.org.za, and then you click on submit, and then a new lead will then be created. That is Siba. Okay, you can ignore this because the account, the lead has been added already. Okay, so in order for you to move the new lead to the different stages of the CRM, like for example to the voicemail tab, the callback schedule tab, the awaiting application form tab, and so forth, you simply go to the contact. Oh, by the way, you can click on any tab, then it will direct you to the correct contact. So you click on the eye on the actions here, and then you move the lead to the next stage. Either you move it to the new lead section, you move it to the voicemail section, callback schedule section, awaiting application form section, invoiced, paid, but just make sure when you are moving the lead to a different stage that you move it to the correct stage, because notifications obviously will be sent as well to the relevant parties once you have moved the lead. For example, if you move the lead to the voicemail tab, then the client will get notification that they need to attend to the voicemails. Alright, and the other feature that we have on the CRM is the contact import section. This is also straightforward. You click on the contact import tab, and then you click here to upload a file. It should be an Excel spreadsheet or a CVS, and then you click on next, and then the file will be uploaded accordingly. So this is when you want to upload multiple files or multiple contacts instead of uploading them one by one on the contact list. That I want you to learn on the CRM is this tasks tab. So you simply just create new tasks, enter the task title, you enter the description, you select the date as well as the time, and then you click on submit, callback requested. So this is basically it. So you can click on the task, and then you get more information about the task, on what date is this due, what is the due time, and then you just simply mark it here as complete if you have contacted the client or you have completed the tasks. And then the status will obviously change to completed. This is a completed task. Alright, so that's about it. That's how you use the CRM features for your date review sales in order for everything to be streamlined accordingly. So this will be the dashboard for your sales. So the total number of leads received will be shown here. The leads conversion rate will also be shown here. So this is the overall leads conversion rate, so that you have an idea on how your business or your leads are actually converting. So the new leads automatically will be assigned to this tab. Once you have uploaded, you created a new lead, or you uploaded new leads via Excel spreadsheet or CVS, then the leads will automatically fall to this tab. If you have moved the lead from new lead to voicemails, all your voicemails will then show here. All your callback scheduled leads will then be shown here. Your awaiting application form leads, if you send out an application form and wait for the client to complete the form 16, then they will be shown here. All your invoiced or submitted leads will be shown here. All your paid leads will also be shown here. If you have any, if you've done the assessment and then you're waiting for any outstanding documentation, then the leads will show here. And then if the clients are no longer interested, your no longer interested files will then be on this tab. All right, thank you for your time, and I hope to discuss with you again soon. And one more thing, if you want to access the How It Works videos, it's pretty simple. You click on the How It Works videos tab on the top corner here, and the videos will be populated.